Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and today you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location, there is some recommendations and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several days around the car available for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. You can do so through the link provided in the description.